Well friends, here is the fountain right here. And as you can see, it's kind of simple and elegant, yet looks pretty nice. And then we have the little solar powered item on top here. So I'm just going to show you guys. See, it's kind of an overcast day really, and still it's as soon as it starts into the sun there, or the light, it starts going. So I'm just going to put a couple of these different ones on here, and you guys can see the different effects. Okay, here's one without. I just put the top portion on there and the other one, and this is without any of these on there. So these can just screw right onto or they just go on there and turn, and it'll give you a little bit of a different fountain experience. So this might actually be a little bit too powerful, because sometimes when it's sunny, it'll shoot water over about 18 inches in the air. So maybe and if it's a windy day, it'll blow your water right off of here. So you can decrease the power of it by maybe putting a little piece of tape over a couple of these, and that'll help not it be so powerful. But it has a nice water effect. I'm going to put the other ones on there to let you guys see that. So here's this one. And here's one with more holes, but the fewer holes, obviously, the higher it's going to go, and the more holes, the lower it's going to be, hopefully. Like I said, it's not super sunny out right now, but this one has a decent amount of power, and it'll shoot the water up higher, just depending on how much sunlight it's getting. So here's one with just the single one in there, and you can see it's getting pretty good height on that right there, and it makes a nice water effect too. If you have a garden or something like that with a splashing water, it's just kind of soothing. Okay, and this one has just this simple little 5-hole one on there, and you can see it's really pretty. I like all the different features. I'm super happy with it. And with the bird bath, it looks really nice. We're going to put some rocks in there, maybe some plants. It's going to look beautiful. Haven't had any issues with these blowing over. The one in the backyard, I did put a couple stakes in there. But yeah, I'm really happy with these, and they're a nice addition to a garden. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.